Today I got my hands on binary option strategy that help a beginner make 25 straight profitable trades. This guy took his 100 balance and turned it into $1,000 in just an hour of work. A bunch of people sent me this strategy and asked me to check it out. So in this video, I'm gonna try it and show how this method works. Alright, let me show you the settings at the first step to start trading on the block option platform. I gotta use the first of all, right and ash candles. Alright, the time frame you're gonna use in 30 seconds. Okay. Alright, so don't forget guys to enable the timer. This is a good tool that I like to use. That will appear this countdown from the candle. This is really helpful for us. Alright. Right now, let's go to indicators, Keltner Channel and moving average. Alright. So let's go now to set up this both indicators. Okay. Let's go do this together. First, we're gonna use 25 on any period, RTR 15 and multiplier 1. I like to use yellow on top and bottom, 2 on thickness. Alright, and select the middle. Let's save this. For moving average, let's use 5 on period and simple moving average. Okay, the style I like to use with purple or pink and 2 on thickness. Okay. So is that guys, I'll try right now to then find a good entry for us, okay? So I'll be back soon. Let's wait for this. Alright guys, I got a good entry for us right here. A good example, okay? We have all this entire candle outside of the channel, okay? And we got a crossing line between the top line on channel with the moving average. So click on the buy button for this. If an uptrend, using 2 minutes on time. Don't forget to change this. Okay, I just tried to use $20 for this. Yeah. Why you just multiplier trade? Simple. I just feel like it. Okay. Yeah. I could have opened one trade for $6, but I decided to split them up today. Okay. For this method, I recommend you to open trading parts. Okay. Guys, I'm sharing this because I know a lot of beginners don't have much capital, and this feature is a great way to start. Alright, so I just need to pay attention when you got this crossing line as I showed for you. Okay, this is very important. We got the entire candle outside of the channel. Okay, whenever green or red candles completely cross the top and bottom of the current channel, that's what you should look out for. The second clue is the moving average line, as I said. When this line moves up and cross the upper boundary of the Keltner channel, it's a sign that the price will keep rising and the trend won't change anytime soon. The moving average line perfectly lines up with where the Keltner channel ends. At this point, I knew it's what time to open trades. Alright, this is amazing guys. When I trade on fast time, like 1 or 2 or 5 minutes, I sometimes break my trades into parts at different entry points. Okay, it often helps us out. As this method that I showed for you, okay? So let's wait for these results. Look at this, man. We got the 3 entries. That is very amazing. Okay. So don't forget to follow this method right here. Pay attention when you get a crossing line and the entire life outside of the channel. Alright. So now I'll try to identify another entry for us. Okay. So back soon and wait for this. Hey. Do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, It's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Alright guys, we have another good entry right here, okay? We got the entire candle outside of the channel is the same of the previous scenario that performed, but now we got a downtrend. To be real with you guys, I'm not aiming to make a huge profit today. I'm not taking big risks, I just focus on good steady trades and play it safe, alright? So let's wait for this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, and click on the sell button, right? Now just wait for the result, guys, okay? So let's wait for this. Guys, don't forget, most people only make money at the beginning and then get way too confident, alright? Soon they start to lose because they rush into trades or increase their best too much. Trust me, I've been there, alright? So, let's wait for these results. I will be back soon, alright? So don't forget. So, pay attention when you get a crossing line and the entire candle outside the channel. Alright guys, 7, 6, 5 seconds remaining for us get this, and look at this, more 3 entries with good results, right? That is amazing, okay? Honestly guys, this strategy is so simple but super effective if you stick to the plan. But always remember, no strategy is 100 foolproof, you can lose sometimes. The key is to keep learning for every trade, whether you win or lose. That's how you get better. So let's try to then find the last trend for us, the last entry. Right now, we got back right here. We have the same situation. We got the entire candle outside of the channel, and this is an uptrend. So click on the buy button, all right? And look at this. We got a crossing line. We have an uptrend and another opportunity. It's amazing, okay? Don't forget, guys, this is very important. You need to click on the button and exactly time when you create the candle. After we got an entire candle outside of the channel, okay? So let's wait for the results. I'll be back soon, all right? So see you soon, guys, in a few seconds. All right, it's 7, 6 seconds remaining, and right now, bam, we got this again, man. Look at this, guys, more 3 entries for us. All right, guys, that is for today. Good luck with your trades, and we see you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments. I love hearing from you. If you got any questions or need help, just reach out on Telegram, all right? I'm here to help you guys. And remember, stay patient, stay smart, and stick to the plan. That's how it's success in trading, all right? And don't forget, no strategy is 100 foolproof. You can lose sometimes, so don't worry about this, all right? As I said, keep to learning from every trade, whether you win or lose. All right, is that. Take care and see you the next time. See you guys. Bye-bye.